Hey, yo, what's up, you guys? Um, I'm here about to make another video, and this time is gonna be a different type of video. As you can see right here, I got this table and I got this fan here. This time on this video is gonna be something like a how-to video. Let me explain something right quick to you guys about what I'm gonna do. As you can see, hopefully you guys can notice on this fan, I've been using this fan for say a couple of weeks or months, and in time the fan inside, I'm not really sure if you guys can see it, but on the metal, this metal thing and then the blades, in time it collects dust. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people that have fans, they notice this, and sometimes this dust can prevent the fan from working properly. So I have fans, let's say, all through my life in my house, and I always see that all the fans will collect dust, and sometimes they just throw them away because they think it's not working no more, or they stop working properly. But I've been like thinking to myself, what can I do about this? And I think I kind of figured out a little something I can do to keep this fan from messing up and keep working. So what I have on this side, it's some chlorine wipes, disinfecting wipes, and what I figured out, it's I buy these often, you know, because I use these to clean around my room. So what I figured out, I can open this fan just using like a screwdriver. I have this screwdriver laying around my house, so it has like little screws in here, star screws. It has like 4 of them, 5 of them. So you just take them out, and what you do is just grab some of these and just clean around the fan and the blades and the frame and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So if you guys have this issue, you don't have to throw away your fan. All you have to do is maintain it. You know, it's fans, I never knew like it was something that you had to maintain, and it's, you know, you have to maintain it because it collects dust. So grab a screwdriver, let me show you. Well, if you have this type of fan, some people have the bigger ones, but I chose the small ones because I don't want a big fan in my room like that. So all you do is take these little screws off. You know, this doesn't take a lot of work, and you could probably do this like in, if you want to do it real good, like 20 minutes, you know, just take 20 minutes and maintain your fan, and you'll see that you'll start getting more fresh air, like when you bought it the first time. You know, the motor will start working a little bit more better. Well, of course, you first disconnect it, you know, put it somewhere like a table. I have this table in here. You know, I just unscrew these screws a little bit so I could just do it faster on the video, you know. And you just gotta work with these little screws because they're tiny. So you could do this with the other fans too, like the regular fans, the plastic ones, you know. One more. You know, gotta have a good fan because gotta stay fresh. You know, we have AC in here, but sometimes I just like that fresh breeze from the fans, you know. So there it goes. Look at all the dust that is collecting. It's simple. You know, I think the blade and the motor is really important. You see how dusty? So, right, so just get some of these wipes. start wiping. You know, you're gonna drop some on the ground. You could just sweep it up after, you know. And these wipes clean real good. They clean everything real good. And these smell like coconut too. I think these smells like a new scent or something. So you just clean around. Try not to bend your blades. I never bented a blade. I don't know what would happen, but you know, I'm just saying, it's pretty soft. You know. So yeah, you just clean around. Last time I did this, it took me longer, but I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can for this. You know, so I flip it over. You could probably use like a wet rag too, but you know, don't wet it too much. You know, you don't wanna be wetting anything around the motor so much. So what I do is, like, when I'm almost done wiping this, you know, it's kind of wet because of the wipes. I have another fan where I just put it in front of it and let it dry quicker. So I'm just cleaning around the motor right now. Gotta be careful with these blades. Never know. Get all the dust. So you just keep on wiping around. You'll see how it makes a big difference when you clean your fans. I bought this fan at Walmart. I think it was like $25. I had it for like 4 or 5 months, I think. It's not big, but it's kind of powerful. You know, like the big ones, but mini. Because those big ones I've seen people use at like mechanic shops and all that. This is a mini, but it still shoots pretty good air. Keeps me fresh, even when I sleep. So you just clean around the motor. I think you should clean up the motor first, you know, because probably the hardest part. Blow a little bit. Cleaning back of the blades. See, I'm almost done with the inside. It's been like not even 5 minutes. Now, a lot of the dust likes to collect on these little wires. I don't know why. And I don't even know where this dust comes from, to tell you the truth. But I noticed it and that's not good, you know. Gotta clean it. So pretty much, I'll show you guys a close-up right now. See the difference? Look at the motor. You know, the motor is real important. You know, just gotta clean a little bit more around the little wires. But it's fast, you know. So just grab another one. I think with 2 I'll be done. Don't forget to clean your wire too, because the wire collects dust. Also, where you leave it connected somewhere, it starts collecting dust over there. I really like to do this because I really need that fresh air, you know. Especially sometimes when I'm gaming, fresh air, it feels good. Alright, so now we go to this. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I know you guys seen this many times. Look at that. That's how the other one was, but worse. So easy. You know, if you guys have like one of those hoses like they use in tire shops that you fill the tires up with air, you could probably use that too. I never used it, but I thought about it for my other fan, because the other fan, you can't really open it like this that easy. It's like a plastic cover, and it's like a little tower, so I don't really want to open that and damage it or something, or I can't put it back or something, you know. So I'm gonna probably take it to like a gas station and just blow it with the tire hose, the air, for the air, you know, or take it to like probably gonna take it to a tire shop and just tell the people there I just want to use it to clean that right quick. You know, I don't think it'll take more than like 10 minutes to clean that, you know. So sometimes this little dust gets stuck, just pull it out. It's okay if you leave a little bit of dust there, it probably will blow off anyways, but try to get as much out of it. You know, see 2 rags, with the edges. Show you the difference. Oh, looking like brand new. See, has a little bit of pieces stuck there, but who cares? Still, it's gonna keep accumulating, so you just keep cleaning it. So don't forget to clean your little screws too, because they get dusty too. Just put them somewhere safe so you won't lose them, you know. Quick, probably like 10 minutes, barely, going on probably 10 minutes, almost done. And it smells like coconuts. Yeah, so just give it like a last. Alright, looks pretty good. So put the cap back on. Usually try to put the top ones first so it could hold it up, and then put the rest of them. So simple, like a middle school kid can do this. Two more screws. And just put them on to keep it in place. One more. I like these screwdrivers, they have the magnet on it. So if your screw tries to slip off, the screwdriver will hold it. Almost done. Slip, small screwdriver. Alright, almost in. Try not to screw these screws in too tight, because you don't want to bend your frame or something. You know, it's like sensitive metal right here. It's not even metal, it's like that other type of metal. In English, I don't know the name, but it's like Spanish is lamina, is the softer kind of metal. So, right, the last one. Let me just clean this here. I guess you could use the same one or same rag, or you could use a new one. I remember in high school, I took a health class. Now that I remember, I think I heard that, I'm trying to remember, like dust comes from your own body sometimes. Like some of the dust that collects in your room or whatever is like your dead skin cells and it turns into dust. Or like your fingernails, or like, you know, if people bite their fingernails and they spit it on the ground or something. I don't do that. I'm just saying, like your nails, when they, like, I think they rot or they turn into dust, or your dead skin cells that fall off your body, your hair and stuff like that. All right, so table clean. So now let me show you guys how it looks. Give you a close up. Look at that. Almost like if you opened it right out the box. Real clean. I should have gave you guys a close up on how it looked before. Kind of forgot, but you guys get the idea. Let me connect this and show you guys how it works. Oh yeah, one thing to look out for that lets you know when your fan is too dusty and you need a cleanup. So when you have it off and it's too dusty and you turn it on, like on the first setting, because you have to start from the first setting then go to the highest setting. But let's say you turn it on to the first setting, the fan will kind of lag because of the motor. It doesn't pick up enough power, probably because of the dust. And I noticed this on this fan. So when I try to turn it on and I see that it's lagging, I know I have to clean it. But if that's not the case, maybe it's just the motor, something else with the motor. But let's give it a try. Turn it on the first setting and let's see if it lags or not. It had a little bit of lag, but that's probably normal. But I had worse lag than I seen before. So that's on the first setting, and I'm gonna go to the second setting now. And then third setting. Hope you guys could hear that. This fan's pretty powerful. You know? For being this small, I could hear the blade like whispering with the sound of the air, because it's cleaner now. And when it's dusty, you hear like a different noise because it's too clogged. You know what I mean? So there you go, you guys. It's a quick how-to video. Remember, you don't really have to get rid of your guys' fan or spend money on other ones. Just clean it up. That's all you need. Some Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, some rag with like some cleaning material. You know, just be careful with it, with the motor, and you'll be good, man. So I'll see you guys on the next video.